doing this puzzle of a bunch of posters this time. It's my first time doing anything in this series, so we'll see how it goes. Finally finished sorting, and as you can see, this set of puzzle really isn't the standard cut. It has some pretty weird shapes. So I sorted them by the edge pieces, the first row of posters, second row, third row, and last row. Not sure if this is the best strategy, but this is what I'm gonna go with this time. Total time turned out to be around 2 hours and 16 minutes. The pieces of this puzzle are pretty big, or at least bigger than the other puzzles that I've been doing previously. They're also mostly irregularly shaped. There are some edge pieces that don't look like edge pieces at all, and some pieces that are not edge pieces but look just like edge pieces. But overall, this whole picture that's composed of different small posters is still a pretty fun puzzle to do.